What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we're just going to have a regular old video and talk about some of the things that's going on in the market, some of the things that we should be looking forward to, Ethereum, and some of the other altcoins that we should have on our radar. But before we get into that, first, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is down to $60,368. We lost some of the momentum that we had from yesterday. We know we did hit $63,000. We thought we were getting ready to make that next leg up. Lo and behold, that correction still got a strong hold on us, and we dipped back down today to $60,000. We didn't get quite to the $59,000 level as of yet. Who knows? At the time of this video is released, we may be back down to $59,000, or we may be up to $61,000, because we know cryptocurrency is volatile. Bitcoin is volatile, so it swings very heavily at any particular moment and time. It could be up or down thousands of dollars. So $60,368 is what we're looking at as of now. The Bitcoin dominance is at 53.3, and the Ethereum dominance is at 17.8. Now, we have been hearing about the Ethereum ETF. We know about a month ago the Ethereum ETFs were approved, but they have yet to be launched. So they're not live. It's not in use yet. There was a date thrown out from July 2nd. Nothing has happened as of yet. But who knows? It may be July 10th, July 8th, July 15th. Who knows what the exact date is? But nevertheless, we do know it will be launched and it will go live. This could be the trigger, could be the catalyst that sets off altcoins starting to pump. It definitely will probably set off Ethereum starting to pump. Ethereum have been one of the only coins that have yet to have a outbreak, a burst of upward momentum. We've seen Bitcoin do great numbers, great percentages in the upward direction. We've seen Solana do massive numbers. Ethereum have been sitting back, waiting patiently with its arms crossed, the way that you should be doing too. You should be sitting back, waiting patiently for altcoin season, waiting patiently for these exponential gains to start to occur. So that's what Ethereum has been sitting back. This Ethereum ETF, it could be launched next week or within the next 2 weeks. But nevertheless, when it is launched, we're expecting this to be a huge positive catalyst for the Ethereum coin. And we're expecting Ethereum to really start to pump up in the upward direction percentage-wise. We're expecting the gains to really start to dive and build into Ethereum, because we understand phase 2 is right around the corner. Phase 2 is when Ethereum will be outperforming Bitcoin. And what other reason and time for that to happen is when new money and starts to flow into Ethereum. That's going to be a supply shock also. You know, like Bitcoin had its supply shock earlier in the year when the spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved. This will be a supply shock for Ethereum, because a lot of the large institutions, those guys are in line, standing on the sideline, waiting for the door to open up. It's kind of like when you're in line for Black Friday the day after Thanksgiving and you want to get the sales. Sometimes you got to sit in line and start at 3 a.m. The doors might not open till 7 a.m., but you're already in line. You've been spending the night because you're waiting to be the first one in line so you can get these deals. This is going to be a massive supply shock for Ethereum. Nobody's really talking about that side of it, but this will be a massive inflow for Ethereum. It's going to be bought up. Ethereum is going to pump like it's scheduled to do. And not only that, it will be having an extra pump from the spot Ethereum ETF, similar to the way Bitcoin has had, which is why we continue to stress this is looking more and more like a super cycle. Bitcoin numbers are going to be large. Bitcoin numbers are already large. $60,000 Bitcoin at this particular point is a very large number. Ethereum is at $3,300 right now, which is a very soft number, a very low number. We know the all-time high for Ethereum is $4,800. This thing got a lot of room to run just before for it to reach its all-time high of 4,800 bucks. And we know once it reached the all-time high of 4,800, higher highs will be made. There will be a new all-time high. Ethereum phase 2 will start to kick in. We know right now we are in quarter 3. Quarter 3, we'll probably see a little bit of increase, but even if we just get continuous sideways action, we may get up to 65,000. Who knows? We may get back to $70,000 Bitcoin, 73,000. Who knows? But we are and will continue to be patient, especially through quarter 3. Now, quarter 4, we're expecting things to get real aggressive. We're expecting to see our portfolios start to pump in massive and aggressive levels. Now, if we get to quarter 4 and we trading sideways, then we will start scratching our head. Then our patience level may start to get questioned, so forth and so on. But at the same time, we're going to continue to trust the process. We're going to continue to trust the 4-year cycles like we have been. And according to the 4-year cycles, quarter 3 of the Bitcoin halving, things are going the way it has gone all of the previous 3 cycles. A little bit of sideways, a little choppiness up and down. Nevertheless, we know we will be gaining momentum towards the end of quarter 3 and especially in quarter 4. So we're just going to continue to dollar cost average in right now. If your plays are not set, if your bags are not filled, this is a great opportunity to continue to buy these doggone coins. We understand that Ethereum is one of the legacy coins. Ethereum is not going anywhere. Ethereum is going to be around. So we make sure that we have several Ethereum coins in our portfolio. Will Ethereum do a 20x? No. Will it do a 10x? Who knows? Will it do a 5x? Probably. But we are in these legacy coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're not expected to do great multipliers, but even doing a 5x is huge for any investment. If you were to buy a house right now for $200,000, $300,000, will it double in a matter of a year? Will it do a 5x in a matter of a year? So that's why plays like Ethereum, these are like home runs. You knocking this doggone thing out the park. It's almost like cheating. It's almost guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed, but it's almost guaranteed. Bitcoin to double. It's almost guaranteed. Ethereum's going to double. It's going to triple. So you have to have the bird's eye view and put things in an overall perspective of investing and assets and multipliers and compound gains, so forth and so on. So quarter 4 we're excited about, but there's so many coins that are at a discount right now. A lot of folks have been talking about Brett coin, Brett on base, etc., etc. Well, if you like Brett, guess what? Brett is down 10% today. I've been talking about Ethereum name service. That coin is going to pump when Ethereum ETF go live, when Ethereum start to pump. Well, guess what? Ethereum name service is down 10% today also, back down to $27. A few days ago, we saw this coin at $32. But this coin is a monster, a banger of a coin. Get some skin in the game and put that coin on your radar. Do some research on it. CatWifHat down 12% on the day, back down to $1.90. We seen CatWifHat get near $5 level just a few months ago. So to find a coin like this at $1.90, that's a steal, a discount. And when you buy this coin, they are not asking you for coupons. They're not asking you for a 50% coupon. You just go ahead and buy that doggone coin because you've been studying the chart, you understand the cycle, you're taking advantage of it, and you will be rewarded. Solana is standing strong. Solana is at $142. So we all know Solana is a big dog. It's going to be one of the most exciting cryptocurrency coins in this particular cycle. The Solana ETF may be next. Who knows? But if that happens, you can definitely expect Solana to really blow past that 10x that we have been proclaiming and predicting for Solana to do. Ethereum, 3,300 bucks. We can lock in at 4-5x for that one. $13,000-$15,000 Ethereum. So this cycle is exciting. This particular point in the cycle is very exciting. So continue to dollar cost average in. Continue to do portfolio analysis. If you're already in a Patreon, hit me on the side. Hit me in the private message, in the direct message. We could talk about your portfolio, so forth and so on. If you're not in the Patreon, come on over there and join us in the Patreon. I can help you talk about the various cryptocurrency coins, break down your portfolio, etc. But we're in a great position right now in the cryptocurrency market just before quarter four, before things get serious, before new cryptocurrency millionaires start to be made. We are at that particular point. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement, coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.